High Court sitting in Abuja has stopped Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) boss Abdulrasheed Bawa from going to Kuje prison after the commission returned the vehicle and cash seized from the complainant. It would be recalled that Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) in earlier statements said it received with shock report of the ruling by Justice OsazuwaAkonedo of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) in Maitama, Abuja, committing the executive chairman Abdulrasheed Bawa for contempt over the failure to comply with a November 21, 2018 order of the court directing the commission to return seized assets comprising a Range Rover, supercharge, and the sum of 40 million naira to the applicant. EFCC in the statement added that Abdulrasheed Bawa had returned the Range Rover, supercharged to the applicant in June 2022. Adding, the EFCC boss also approved the release of the seized 40 million naira to applicant, which the EFCC said was undergoing process before the High Court judge gave the ruling, committing the commission executive chairman to Kuje prison for criminal contempt of court. EFCC in another press release on Thursday indicated that Justice OsazuwaAkonedo of the Federal Capital Territory High Court, Maitama, Abuja today, November 10, 2022, set aside the order of committal and the entire contempt proceedings against the executive chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The EFCC press release reads: Ruling on a motion on notice filed by the EFCC, asking the court to quash the entire proceedings in suit number FCT/HG/CR/184/2016 between Federal Republic of Nigeria versus AVM Rufus Ohawo, and set aside the conviction of the applicant for contempt. Justice Oji said she found merit in the application in the interest of justice. I hereby set aside the entire contempt proceedings in suit number FCT/HC/CR/184/2016 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus AVM Rufus Ohawo. That I further set aside the conviction of the applicant, the Executive Chairman, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, for contempt unconditionally, she ruled.